Popular song structure you'll find in songs today. We can bring this into 4 different guitar parts: the verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and bridge. And we're using the same 4 chords for the entire song, just in different order. In this song, we've got A minor, G, C, and F. So let's start off with the verse. So this isn't too complicated. We're playing on the 1 and the and on beat 1. And then for beats 2 to 4, we're just playing on the and. And we're playing each chord for 1 bar. So counting along, this is going to look like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. That's all there is to it. So moving on to the pre-chorus. Our chord progression this time is F, G, A minor, then G. So in this one, we're playing each chord for 1 bar, same as the verse. And we're going to play on the 1 and the 2. Then in the 3rd and 4th beats, we're going to play on the beat and the and. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and switch chords. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. That's all there is to it. Moving on to the chorus. We're now back to our same chord progression as in the verse with A minor, G, C, F. So what are we doing here? We're playing on the 1, 2, and the and of 3, then 4 and then we switch chords. So that's going to look like this. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, Now, finally, the bridge. So our chord progression for the bridge is the same as the verse and the chorus. A minor, G, C, F. But what I'm doing here is palm muting on the one and the and of each beat. Palm muting, if you don't know, is taking your palm, the side of it right there, and placing it right against the bridge of your guitar. So you're going to put it right on there. So your goal is to get it so that it's not entirely muted, but it's also not totally open. You want a partially muted effect, which gives kind of an interesting sound, and this is a pretty common technique if you've never seen it before. And all we're going to do is play on the beat and the and. So what that's going to look like is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you've never done palm muting before, it's going to take you a little bit to get the hang of. But once you do get the hang of it, it should be pretty easy to do, and it adds a nice effect to a lot of songs.